I get to, you get to?
8 cards in one of these.
I get to, you get to?
You can do it that way if you want.
Mama?
Please.
Please. You gave me the ones at first.
So, gotta be... Open it in this area.
Alrighty. We will be opening up these cards. So let's see.
These are DC HRO hybrid NFT cards.
So let's see what they look like. Strange.
So
Right.
that's your QR code.
That's
Millions of Americans earn and use credit card rewards.
Got a flash. Panel 2. No, that's Shazam. Never mind. There's that. Dr. Fate. Nice.
we have Sogo. Maybe I don't know.
Cyclone.
Cyclone. Aquaman attacks Spider-Man.
Superman. Aquaman attacks Superman. That's cool. Eclipso.
Dr. Pulsar.
Dr. Polaris.
And then Adrian.
And Edegren.
Your turn.
Alright. F1.
Alrighty. Now it's Woody's turn.
Let's see what we get here.
Alright.
Got another Black Adam. Holographic, it looks like.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Got. Oh.
Does it say
I
legendary?
think that's Grodd. Gorilla Grodd.
Hi, Mocha.
With a power ring. Can't tell.
Yeah, that is a power ring. I said wing.
Another Cyclone.
Ooh.
That's a bummer. I don't like doubles.
I'll have it.
Black Adam and the Justice Society.
Okay.
Ooh. Sketch of the Joker. That's a nice one. Pencils. Clarion. Ooh, the Bat Signal. And then Fortress of Solitude. Okay, Samantha's turn.
Alright. Let's see if we will get a legendary.
Fingers crossed.
And toes.
Fingers and toes crossed.
Is it the right way? Alrighty. Hard to get him open.
Be delicate with them. You can pull them up the seam. If you pull right up the middle. There you go.
Open her up a present almost.
Yeah.
Alright. First one. Ooh.
Captain Adam, maybe? Oh, Atom Smasher.
Black Adam, it says.
Black Adam, nice. Atom Smasher.
Next one. Black Adam again. With
Nice.
Then you have this guy. Is that not for me?
Ooh, that's a cool one. Batman carrying the Joker's head.
Daily Planet.
Oh, the Daily Planet.
Batman.
Ooh, Batman. It's an old school one with Batman and Robin.
And then we have this guy. I don't know what his name is.
Harvey Bullock.
Then we have One fights the Justice League.
Orm fights the Justice League. Nice.
Alrighty. Ooh,
One last pack. Gotta hurry because my battery's about to die. Alright. Let's see what we've got. Ooh. Legends. Lex Luthor. I don't know if that's legendary or not.
Comment down below if it is.
Got the team. Got the Justice Society. Got the Atom, Ray Palmer. Ooh, we've got Wonder Woman and Superman Embrace. Vivid moments, it says. We got Wayne Manor. Bruce Wayne's mansion. And then lastly, we've got Wonder Woman. Alright, so, like Samantha said, comment if you know what legends mean. Is that in fact a legendary? Or if you know anything about these cards, leave us a like and a comment, and we'll talk to you later.
If you like burritos, leave a like and subscribe. Bye.